Okay, folks. It's like 11 degrees hot. Maybe it's up to 14 now. I don't know. Nice little snow. We're over here. Come on in. That's the door here. Here's where we are with the plasma cutter project. I have the control box I built is all mounted back onto the machine. Operator's pendant's back on. I'm starting to pull the wires through and start to hook up all the motors. Motors are on all over. They're all attached, they're bolted up. Pulled all new wire, so I have new wire for the stepper motors, new wire for the encoders that it now has. Proc switches are all wired. Things got to be buttoned up and covers put back on. This is something I changed here. I had this this EZ Cut Plasma Cutter. The way it was originally configured, the Z-axis was a straight rack and pinion drive, so when the ball or the servo stepper motor moved one turn, the Z-axis moved like 3 inches, which is completely backwards from what I understand now. It really should be maybe 3 turns of the stepper motor to move 1 inch, so you get much better resolution. So I'm learning a lot on this project. So I had this self-contained linear rail with a ball screw in it, so now I got 5 turns of my stepper equal 1 inch of travel, which is going to be awesome. Should give me much better resolution here. And this machine, like I say, was originally an EZ Cut CNC. From what I understand, with the flash cut software that I had, if you watch the other video, was older and needed updated. But from the little bit I learned in trying to get this thing updated, the guy that was, I guess, building these EZ Cut CNC plasma cutters doesn't sound like maybe he was paying his bills. He was making tables, he was selling tables, and he wasn't paying the people that were actually making the tables, and they probably, maybe by the sounds of it, wasn't keeping up with his flash cut obligations, let's say. I don't know the whole story, but once I said to the people at Flash Cut, oh, it's an EZ Cut CNC, they were immediately like, oh, okay, yeah, that. And then who knows, maybe that's why they were charging so much, because they were trying to recoup some of the money they lost. I don't know, but there was definitely some bad blood there. But anyhow, there you go. Today I'm going to try to get all these wires pulled in here and hooked up to my axis drives. Hopefully get some movement, and then we'll have to really start dialing this thing in. But just want to show you, it's like you say, maybe it's 15 out. It's warming up in here nicely. What do we got? We're over 52. There's my heat source. Old school, buddy, old school. Oh, she's making nice heat, I tell you. Yeah, man, doesn't take long at all. There you go. Up, over, out the wall, a lot of flue pipe, a lot of area for that heat to dissipate into the room. It'll be nice in here. I've only had a fire going for maybe 15 minutes, and when I came over here, it was spot 28. Nice and warm now, but let's see what it's doing outside here. Oh boy, snowy winter day. Perfect day to be inside and working on a plasma cutter. All right there, YouTube folks. Maybe I'll have another video here tomorrow when we get this thing all moving. There's the windmill. Oh yeah, not turning today. Just a beautiful snow.